Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a full music on suno.com. So what you have to do is to go to the website suno.com and click on the create option or button here. Now you can click on simple and then type in the type of song you want it to create. I want this song to talk about politics, or I can change it to talk about climate or climatic conditions. Okay, so and I can tell you the type of song or the style to add. I want it to be pop or band, high life, afro, tap. Let me choose trap and hard kicks, hip hop song also, and I can proceed to add, to click on create, and it should start creating the song for me. Now you can see that we now have 30 credits instead of 40, which means that each song takes a maximum of 5 credits, or just takes 5 credits. There's no maximum or minimum. Takes 5 credits to produce a song. So we'll check the song now. So while we wait for the song to progress, or while it's progressing, we can choose the custom section here, and this is if we already have our lyrics. We can add them in the write lyrics section, or we can choose the auto section and describe what we want the lyrics to be about, and the AI will generate the lyrics for us. We can also proceed to add our styles here and click on create, and let's hear our song. Now we can see that this is a very good song. Let's check the next one and see how it compares with the first one. Already from the intro we can say that this is a very good music. So this is how to create a full song on suno.com. Thank you very much and do have a great day. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let me know what you think about it in the comment section.